Look at this. It is raining. Real nice. A nice gentle rain. Hard to see on camera, but it's raining. Well, the grass is getting nice rain, so that's good. It's starting to green up. I think it's time to have my buddy come and fertilize my yard again. Get it looking real nice. But that's cool. I mean, it's raining, so that's a good thing. We need the rain, so. Which is not, it's not going to stick around too long. I bet you within the hour to be gone, so then I'll be back out doing some more lawn care today. Nothing wrong with that though. But yeah, that's what's going on here at Drew's Lawns. It's raining at the moment. It's all good though. But I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Please comment, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.